Good morning. In this video, I will report two steps. And the first one is the first data view version is released in the GitHub. And second one is the provenance graph generation is in progress. It's not finished yet. So let's go to the first one. So this is the GitHub account of DocLuz. And if you search the data view system in your GitHub account, and you can have this kind of information, and you can just click the claw and download button, and you can just download the data view project. So it's very easy for you to import this data view project in the Eclipse. The current version has two methods to create a workflow and execute this workflow on the Amazon EC2. The first one is the pure Java version. And in the pure Java version, if you want to run a workflow, and you have to have the access key and secret key of the Amazon EC2 account. So this kind of information can be updated in the configuration file under this folder. Then you can just follow the steps in the test Java file to get the information how to create a customized workflow and execute the workflow in the Amazon EC2. Or you can check the data view tutorial channel here. And second one is the interface version. And this project can run in the Tomcat as a dynamic web project with the login file. Then you have to provide the Dropbox token information. You have to have the Dropbox account. Also, you have to create some default folders. The first one is the data view, and in the data view, you have to create two subfolders. The first one is tasks, and the second one is workflows. And also, you should have the data view input. So this folder will store all the input files for the workflow. When you use the interface version, you have to have this information. But in the current version, so I recommend you to use the pure Java version, because the interface version will use the when internal web server to retrieve the tasks in the Dropbox. So if you don't have the VPN of the Win state, you cannot have this informations, then you cannot visualize the workflow. But we will fix this issue and we'll release another version. So this is the first release version of the data view system, and second one is the provenance graph. Yeah, so I try to base on this source code provided by DocDo and combine this part information into the task executor, and then we can create a provenance graph when each task is finished in the task executor, and create the provenance graph in the local part. So this is the whole idea. Thank you for watching. So maybe we can if we need more tutorial of the data view, so we can talk about it in the meeting. Thank you.